check. Starting at the top, I got some black ODI long necks with some black shadow vultus bars, 8-inch rise. They're really chipped because they were purple, but one of my friends painted them and he did a bad job, so they're kind of chipped. And then I have for my stem, I got a Cult Salvation TI stem, top load and Rasta. I got a little Vulcan sticker on it because I love Vulcan. I got an Odyssey headset, and then my fork is a stock Eastern Trail Digger fork. It's crap. It's rusting and it's raw. Yeah. My front wheel's a Alienation deviant wheel, female hub. I got two what are they called? Oh, I forgot. Stolen thermalite pegs from 3/8 in there. I got a G-Sport gland hub guard on this side. Getting another one soon from Descant. My frame is a custom painted Eastern Vaquero. It looks really bad. The page arm's kind of chipping. And soon I'm gonna get a S&M VTM in trans gold. Hopefully, I'm hoping. And I got over here I have my stolen FPOS pivotal seat, the stock Eastern pivotal post. And then down here I have stolen s.i.c cranks with Odyssey G-Sport, or not Odyssey G-Sport, Odyssey PC twist pedals. And then my sprocket's a Cult member sprocket, Cult member 2 I think, in Rasta. And then my bottom bracket here is stolen revolver. I don't really recommend the stolen revolver bottom bracket. It's not very nice. It's mine has a lot of dirt in it, and I don't know, it's crap. Hopefully I'm gonna get a shadow conspiracy bottom bracket here soon. Also off fans. I got a shadow interlock 2 chain in black. It's pretty tight right now. Usually it's really loose. And back here I got a stolen revolver back hoop with some titanium spokes, and then this is a Sunday hub. I don't know what hub it is, but it's Sunday. And then I got another brand new thermalite peg back here, or stolen thermalite 14 mil, and then a gold FBM hub guard, and then another Demolition momentum tire back here. It's size at 20 by 2.0. They both are. They both demo. So yeah, thanks. Subscribe, rate, comment, do it up.